Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are featuring Undrdog products. So we have some applicator pads, some awesome towels, some more towels over there, and we got the Undrdog sauce. This is the Undrdog Pro protective coating, as well as water spot remover and some soap. And then here's the car we're going to be doing the protective coating on today. This is my girlfriend's Ford Fusion. And it is filthy right now. You just can't really tell with the camera. But to start it off, we're going to be using some Undrdog Soap, which helps prep the paint before you put on that coating. So we went ahead and put the soap in this foam cannon I have and diluted it. And here we are putting this soap everywhere, all over the car. We covered the entire car with this. To get the paint nice and prepped and get all that dirt and grime off there before we apply our coating. So once you guys wash off your car and prep your paint, if you guys have a lot of dirt and grime on your car, make sure to use a degreaser or something that gets all of that off of there so you don't have anything stuck under the protective coating. But anyway, we got the paint decontaminated here, so it is all ready for a protective coating. We went ahead and rinsed off the entire car, and once it's completely rinsed off, make sure you guys dry it completely. Make sure there's no water left at all, because you don't want the water getting mixed in with the protective coating. So here's the Undrdog Pro. This is what the container looks like, and inside it's packaged very nicely. This is the 30 milliliter option, so this can coat 2 full cars. And then here's what it looks like out of the container. We're going to be using this applicator pad to put it on the car. And they say between like 10 and 15 drops of Undrdog Pro on the applicator pad at a time. And then you do your small panel, and then you can add more. So the pad should always feel moist when you guys are applying your coating, so that you have a fully even coating and certain spots don't have more than others. But when you're applying this, make sure you're just going in straight lines and covering the entire panel. Make sure you're not missing spots, so you basically don't end up with a patchy coating. Alright, so we did put some on the roof here, and when you are buffing it out, wait between 7 and 10 minutes for it to flash, and you'll see it get a little hazy. And once you see that, you are able to just wipe it off with a microfiber towel. Just hand buff it. And it shouldn't be too hard to remove. You got to put a little muscle into it, but it will look really good in the end. So here we're doing the door panel, and make sure you get all the edges with the door handle. And then here's my point of view from me doing it. You can kind of see the line of where it has flashed and where I'm wiping it off, just to give you guys a perspective. We did the windshield here. You can see all the lines from applying the coating, and now we're wiping it all off, making sure we get everything off of the windshield. And you can see the reflection is really good. Like, just looking at the hood that we did and the front bumper, you can see everything in the reflection perfectly. This car looks better than it's ever looked, and we've had it for over 3 years. So making it look like brand new is definitely a win in my book. So definitely recommend you guys check out Undrdog Pro. Thanks to Undrdog for sending this out. So this is the final product walking around the car. You can just see the car looks like it's in the showroom, and this thing is shining brighter than anything I've ever seen. Obviously this paint is very metallic, so it makes it look even more stellar. So here is the Undrdog. Definitely good stuff. Instead of spending over $1,000 on a full protective coating on your car, I think this is a steal, and I definitely think you guys should check it out. Anyway, just look at this paint. It basically speaks for itself. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like if you guys enjoyed, and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here. We do have a new build coming to the channel, so stay tuned for that one. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.